Come and say one more time, one more time. Yo, check it out. This is me, Mr. Marshall Montano HD, and you're watching Caribbean World, #1 in the world. Hey!
100 miles off the coast of Florida, on an island a mere 150 miles long and 50 miles wide, lies a tropical paradise, the homeland of a great people with a great heritage. Though their stories are seldom told, their impact on America and throughout the world is undeniable. Born out of a brutal system of oppression and forged through an integration of people and place, Jamaicans and their descendants have impacted every aspect of world culture and emerged as a triumph of the human spirit. Despite the challenges that face this small island, its people throughout the diaspora are key to unlocking Jamaica's bright and prosperous future. Remembering from whence it has come is the surest way for a people to mind where they are going. In a day where film has become the standard by which a nation's cultural identity is expressed, what do you think of when you think of Jamaica? Like, what images come to mind?
You ask a person like me, you know what they're gonna say as soon as you say Jamaica.
Stoners.
Weed.
Marijuana. That's how they're portrayed.
The only portrayals is the obvious ones. Always the Rastas dreaded out, real loose in their attire, real kickback, laid back.
Do you know of any famous Jamaicans or Jamaican Americans?
Bob Marley, that's one.
Bob Marley, you know.
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
Famous Jamaican Americans.
All I know is Bob Marley and Bob Marley Jr. I'm that old. I'm that old school. So.
That guy won 2 gold medals.
Anyone in sports? Athletes? Let's think of.
Who? Lennox? He's not Jamaican. Lennox Lewis is Jamaican. I haven't been there and I haven't studied too much about it. Biggie? I can see that. Busta? I can see Busta.
I'm sure a lot of people got from Jamaica.
Who else is from Jamaica?
Naomi Campbell.
Yeah, she's from Africa.
Did you know Colin Powell was of Jamaican descent?
Colin Powell's from Jamaica? No, he is not. Tyson Beckford? No, you just naming black people. That's a lot of famous people. All right.
I'm stepping up. So don't you.
That's why I think Jamaicans are all they are now. Because they think that not only they know that they have a lot of rich culture.
Just turn that over to the chair of Jamaican Diaspora, West, Midwest, none other than my friend, Ms. Valerie Beckett, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Lord God. And I'm ethnic population dispersed throughout other parts of the world, and it includes migrants, first, second, third generation immigrants, as well as expatriate students, guest workers, opinion